Hi, I'm Dawn, Buddhist meditation and mindfulness meditation teacher, author, and mentor. Thanks for joining me. Let's get started. Set yourself up in whatever posture is comfortable and accessible right now. Eyes can be closed or slightly open. And do what you need to arrive or ground more fully, whether that's looking around the room or taking a few full breaths. Notice if you may already have drawn your awareness to something like breath or sensation out of habit. If possible, just for this practice, set the intention to try something new, especially if you haven't practiced with sound before. It might not be accessible today, and that's okay. You're just trying something new. Let yourself tune into any sounds you might hear, whether they're outside your room or building, or something coming through your headphones. It could even be my voice. If you feel any sort of leaning forward in your body as you search for sounds, settle back into a posture where your head is stacked over your heart and try to hear instead of listen. Hearing has a more receptive quality, accepting whatever comes up as sound, instead of listening, which has an energetic quality of going out to get a sound. Now, observe the mind as it tries to label the sound like, oh, that's a truck, or that's the bus. Or perhaps the mind might quickly jump into a reaction like, what are they doing? Why are they starting so early? Notice this happening and try to simply settle back and receive, tuning into whether the feeling is pleasant or unpleasant, and adding a pause instead of jumping into a reaction. You might also observe how the body responds. Perhaps a tightening of the jaw, the eyebrows, a contraction in the chest, sinking of the belly, or perhaps a tingle, a sense of relaxation, spaciousness, or joy. Often, there's even a felt sense when there's no sound to hear, like we feel a sense of urgency to try and find a sound. If scrambly feelings or thoughts arise, try to tune into silence or the absence of sound, and notice the felt sense of that silence. Does it feel unknown and scary? Curious? In these last few moments, notice if there's any sort of grasping feeling. Perhaps there's a sound you really like and you want more of it. When that arises, silently repeat to yourself, hearing, hearing. This way you can create a bit of space for you to lean back and see any reactivity or holding or pushing away. Whether you enjoy this practice or not, remind yourself here that you're trying something new. Offer yourself this last minute to observe the arising of sound, the absence of sound, and how it may impact or manifest in your body. When the bell rings, again, can you simply receive it? Thank you for your practice. Until next time, take care of yourself because that's how we can best take care of others.